Understanding the Snoring Problem, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore an interesting English phrase, snoring problem. Whether you're learning English as a second language or just curious about English phrases, this video will help you understand what this phrase means and how to use it in conversation. Let's dive in. Snoring refers to the sound some people make while sleeping. It happens when air flows past relaxed tissues in the throat, causing the tissues to vibrate as you breathe. A snoring problem means that someone's snoring is so loud or frequent that it becomes a noticeable issue. It can be a problem for the person who snores or for others who share their sleeping space. Let's look at some examples of how this phrase is used. 1. My roommate has a serious snoring problem. It keeps me awake at night. 2. I'm visiting a doctor to get help for my snoring problem. These examples show that the phrase can be used to describe a personal issue or someone else's issue. In many cultures, talking about someone's snoring problem can be a bit sensitive. It's often seen as a private or embarrassing topic. If you're discussing this with someone, it's important to be tactful and respectful. 1. Medical consultation. Seeing a doctor can help identify any underlying health issues. 2. Lifestyle changes. Reducing alcohol consumption before bed, losing weight, and changing sleeping positions can help. 3. Sleep aids. Special pillows, nasal strips, or devices can reduce snoring. I hope this video has given you a better understanding of the phrase, snoring problem, and how it's used in English. Remember, language learning is all about understanding the nuances of phrases like this. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to reach out with any questions. Happy learning!